today we're going to be reviewing this infrared thermometer. It's really great. It focuses on healthy living. It's fast and precise. Every 0.1 degree Celsius change, so it's fast detect. It has a large screen display, 3-color backlight. It has non-contact precision temperature measurement, so that's really awesome. 1 second temperature measurement, so great, again, fast and efficient. And then it's got 20 memory, so multiple groups of memory for easy query. So you can always go back and check, what it was. Really easy to operate. Takes 2 batteries on the bottom, and then you just press the button and it starts. You aim at the center of the forehead and measure a distance of 3 to 5 centimeters. So you don't have to touch the forehead, you just have to be a little close. So you press the button and it does the measurements. So again, really nice. It works amazing. It has all different speeds, less than a second. Simple test operation, again, non-contact. It does surface. It's a surface heat temperature ratings as well. So it does surface and body. So that's the modes. And then the 3-color display, like I mentioned before, is green is a normal body temperature. Yellow backlight means low fever body temperature. And then if you have a red backlight, it means you have a high fever body temperature. So, that's really convenient. So once you see green, you're good. If you see yellow, it's so-so. And again, if you see red, that means you have a temperature. So again, like I said, you press the button, it turns on and takes the temperature. Right now it's at body, has a little smiley face, and you can change it to surface. And then memory is this middle button, so it goes back, like I said, 20 slots, so 20 times that you took. And then you can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit also. So once you're on mode, you can change to Celsius or Fahrenheit. Really simple, really great, definitely nice to have at home. So no contact. If anybody comes over, you can take their temperature, so that way you're safe, especially now with everything going on. These are definitely great to have at home, and I highly recommend it. It works amazing, fast and reliable. So I hope you enjoy. Bye. You can also visit Run Deals mobile app for even more deals.